Hi everyone, so really quick tutorial on making honeycomb patterns. They will look something like this, and you can't see it on the video very well, but they are raised, so the edges of the honeycombs are raised. This is so simple, I feel like I'm wasting your time, but all you have to do is use a bolt, okay? And these particular bolts that I have right now on hand are not so great because they don't have really crisp edges. Where if you go to Home Depot, you can find ones with like really nice sharp edges, so it really looks like a nice like hexagonal pattern for your honeycomb. So all you do is you just press them into the clay, obviously. The harder you press, the higher the walls of the honeycomb are going to be. And the other thing to pay attention to is align your corners. Do be careful with that because if they're not aligned, it's not going to look natural. It's not going to look real. But if you align the corners and watch your spacing, you can make a honeycomb pattern. And then the other thing that you can do is you can cut it out and then you can make a mold of it. And then you can press the clay into the mold and make copies really, really quickly. And then sometimes what I do is I take these copies and I put them like on dishes or on mugs. So the honeycomb is really 3D. It's just another like extra step that you can do. I do have videos on making silicone molds in my channel. If you scroll down, there's videos on silicone putty, which would be fine for this type of work. Or if you want to capture more detail, say if you sculpted a bee, right, and you put it on there too, you can cast the whole thing with the bee. But I would suggest using the liquid silicone because it will capture more detail for you. And I do have tutorials on that, so go take a look at that if you wish. I hope this was helpful and I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, bye.